In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Contact Me form in Card. We're building a simple, clean contact form that fits right into your Card site so visitors can reach you without any friction. Let's jump in. Start by heading to card.co. Card is great for one-page sites, and the form we'll add is fully responsive out of the box, so it'll look good on phones and desktops. On the home page, click Open Dashboard. This takes you to your list of sites. Pick the project where you want the contact form to live, and Card will open the builder for that page. Inside the builder, look for the Add button. Click it to open the element library and choose Form. Card will drop a default form onto your canvas, and the Settings panel will appear on the side so you can configure everything right away. In the Settings, find the Type dropdown and change it to Contact. This tells Card to treat the element as a contact form, typically including fields like name, email, and message, and routing submissions to the email address associated with your site or this form element. It's a quick way to get a working, inbox-ready form without extra setup. Next, review what happens after someone submits. In Actions on Completion, you can show a confirmation message or redirect to a thank you page if you already have one. A short, clear success message like "Thanks, your message has been sent" helps reassure visitors. If you're redirecting, make sure the link is correct and live. Move over to the Fields tab to fine-tune the inputs. Here you can rename labels, set placeholders, reorder fields, and mark what's required. Keep it concise. Asking for just a name, email, and a message often leads to more submissions. Double check that the email field is required and clearly labeled so you don't miss contact details. If you include an optional field, label it as such to reduce friction. Now open the Appearance tab to style the form so it matches your site. Adjust alignment, font, size, spacing, and button style. Consistent typography and colors make the form feel native to your design. Preview how it looks against your background and ensure enough contrast for readability. A clear, descriptive button label like "Send Message" tends to perform better than something generic. When you're happy with the setup, and click Done to apply your changes. Your form is now part of the page layout in the builder. Give it a quick test and preview to make sure the messages and completion action work as expected. And that's it. You've added a functional, polished contact form to your Card site, ready to collect messages from your visitors.